Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my slimes. So the first slime is, where is it? Let's see. Oh, it's this one right here. It's, Mood Mud. It is green. So it's like super stretchy. Hold on, it's super stretchy. See, it's like super stretchy. But, it's a little sticky, but I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble. Let's see. I'll need more of the slime. This was only a little bit of it. Hold on, let me get out all of it. This is all of it. But yeah, so so this is this slime. But so there's that slime. So I'm gonna put that one back. It used to be orange. So next I'm gonna get out the pink one, which is like a jelly. See? But let me get that one out. Whoa, it falls apart easily. It's not really a slime. Whoops. But if you look at it, it's not stretchy at all. But I kind of like it just because of the feeling of it. And yeah, so there's that slime. So the next slime are my little mini ones. So yeah, let me get out those ones. So here's this one right here. Oh, that one's empty, I forgot. This one's the one that's like, but here's this one. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's obviously like super sparkly. It's like a greenish. But yeah, so there's that one. And then I have another sparkly one. So yeah, so here's this one. Yeah, but here's this one. It's like the same color as the other one that I just showed you that was sparkly. But yeah, so this one's sparkly too. It's really bad and sticky, but yeah, so I will be giving these slimes away. So yeah, if you want any, just comment down below. and I'll give you some. So yeah. So, whoops. But yeah, so that's all my slimes. So yeah. So, bye guys. Love you. Mwah.